Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Crayon of the Heart, and I'm back with another card using products that I have yet to use, and I'm finally going to put on a card. So today I am making a card for a Cricut challenge, and it's a birthday challenge. So that's pretty easy, or it's an anything goes. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm making a birthday card. So I need lots of birthday cards for my stash, and I'm always looking for cards that I can give to boys, whether it's young boys or boys from work. I struggle with that because I have lots and lots of cards for girls. For one thing, I'm attracted to girl stamps like mermaids and unicorns and that kind of thing. So what I'm using is the Kindred stamps, and what was this called? You're Super. It is a humongous stamp set. It like doesn't even fit in my screen right here. It's huge. And the stamps are really big. I actually am not using the stamps because it's a Cricut challenge. I'm actually using the Marvel Kawaii digital cartridge from Cricut instead. But these are super, super cute. And I do want to get back to using these for more boy-oriented cards. So I might just leave this out on my desk, and I might go ahead and make a few more cards. Or I might not. We'll see. The other thing, it was actually a special like pack or something, a box. And so I got a bunch of superhero items with it, including some paper. So, and I had to search all over the place to find the where I'd stashed the paper, but the paper, which is a 6x6, one-sided, very thick. It was printed on very thick cardstock. Also for my card, I use the Speech Bubble Sentiment. I don't know that I've ever used this. I don't recall ever using this set. I'm looking at it. It doesn't look like I've used it. I just use the bubble part, the die, for my card. So, and I'm used the Lawn Fundamentals Chili Pepper ink. So for my card, it's a 5.5 by 5.5 sized card. So there it is right there. So I'm still working with this. I'm still struggling with my ATG. So I'm using this like, because the ATG rolls that I purchased are all messed up. They were either the wrong size, and then when they're finally the right size, they're the strips are not one continuous strip, but broken into little mini strips. So, and held together by the ATG. So when you're using it in your gun, once you get to one of those little spots, it tears, and then you can't roll it anymore. So it's just horrible. Damn you, Tape Jungle. I'm saying Tape Jungle every chance I get because they freaking screwed me over with this stuff because I have a ton of it. And I keep thinking that maybe it's just a bad roll, but this is the second one that I've had like this now. So I'm very upset with them. I keep saying I'm going to send them a video of me struggling with their stupid tape. This is not how it's supposed to be. So they suck. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place this on my card base. I like to use white card bases, personally. That's just me. The paper is kind of glossy. It's really pretty. And it's got this Metropolis, New York kind of look to it. So pretty easy. And then I use the sentiment from that stamp set. It's called, it says have a super, you can put birthday. I put day because inside I'm going to put happy birthday. That's another thing I struggle with, what to put inside. So I like to just put happy birthday inside. See, this is just a mess. It's a mess. It keeps breaking. Can you imagine if this was on my ATG roll? It just would just keep breaking every foot like it's doing right here. Just awful. Awful, awful, awful. And I keep showing it because I want people to see so that maybe they'll improve their quality, because I have purchased from them in the past and I've been very happy with the product I've gotten from them, but this is just shoddy. It's just shoddy quality, and it's not what I ordered. I ordered something that would work on my ATG gun. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this across. There There we go. And then this is, I did a print and cut on this one is what I did. And it actually, you know, every time I cut on my, do a print and cut, I have to recalibrate my machine. So a lot of times I just print it and then I hand cut it, which is what I did on this one. I'm remembering now. I tried to use the print and cut and it cut terrible. So I really need a new machine. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put my little guy right there. Okay, so then I've got a couple sequins because it just seemed like it needed a little something. So I'm doing 3 sequins. I'm doing 2 red and 1 blue. And I just think that that looks nice. And there we go. There is my superhero card. And it just says, have a super day. And then inside the card, I will just keep it very simple with happy birthday because this is the kind of card that gets passed around the office and everyone signs it. So it's fine to not have a lot of things inside the card because people will write little messages or draw pictures or whatever that they do. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy at Cricut the Heart.